So let's see how the speed does now. What I've done is I uninstalled the app and reinstalled the app. Obstacle avoidance is turned off, and stick calibrations have been done again. So 4 to go. We should hit 10 meters a second, meters per second, and that's what it's hitting right now anyhow. I'll flash the current conditions up on the screen. It's really windy out today. This thing's doing good in the wind so far. But just give you a little view here. Kind of go around as we go here. So now it seems to be hitting its speed pretty good. Go straight now, and it's climbing speed, going to 8 meters a second, just under 8 meters a second. This is much faster than we were able to fly before. And do one more turn and call that a successful flight for the speeds. And the camera looks pretty decent on this overcast day. And I kept my gimbal up a little bit, see if we get the props in the video, which I think we did. Come around the edge of the mountain there. Sorry, I moved. Didn't like that with my signal. Hopefully it doesn't cut out. There we go. It's coming around the mountain there. And then we'll end the video here soon.